Imagine that, count with me. 1, 2, 3, ducks afloat so merrily. Yellow, blue, and feathers bright, paddle on from morn till night. 3 duck, 4 duck, paddling by. Sunshine smiles from up high. They chase a ripple, race a leaf, laughing ripples bright and brief. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, ducks afloat so merrily. Yellow, blue, and feathers bright, paddle on from morn till night. 5 little ducklings follow in a row, wobble like tails to and fro. Mama quacks, stay close, don't stray. Together they splash the day away. 1 duck, 2 duck, colors show, yellow and blue, on we go. Count them once and count them twice. Ducks in the pond are pure delight. Three duck, 4 duck, paddling by. Sunshine smiles from up high. They chase a ripple, race a leaf, laughing ripples bright and brief. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, ducks afloat so merrily. Yellow, blue, and feathers bright, paddle on from morn till night. 5 little ducklings follow in a row, wobble whack tails to and fro. Mama quacks, stay close, don't stray. Together they splash the day away. 1 duck, 2 duck, colors show, yellow and blue, on we go. Count them once and count them twice. Ducks in the pond are pure delight. Did back. Sing along with kids. The ice cream bridge melts away under the sun on a bright spring day. Strawberry scoops and vanilla beams drip and swirl into rainbow streams. Chocolate rails and a waffle floor start to soften more and more. Sprinkles fall like sugar rain as giggling kids run down the lane. Banana boats go floating by in rivers of fudge beneath the sky. Marshmallow clouds drift above in the candy world we all dream of. The ice cream bridge melts with cheer, but don't you worry, it reappears each night. It forms in moonbeam light, ready for joy at morning's first slice. She loves the hill. The knight, he loves his bright sword. The lady loves her will. The heart, he loves the high wood. The hare, she loves the hill. The knight, he loves his bright sword. The lady loves her will.
Jelly beans go. I had a jar just an hour ago. Red ones bounced and rolled away. Green ones giggled and wouldn't stay. Yellow ones hid behind a shoe. Purple ones slid through some goo. Orange ones danced across the floor, then slipped beneath the candy drawer. I searched the shelf, I checked my hats, even peeked behind the cat. They vanished quick without a sound. Those sneaky sweets can't be found. But look, what's that beneath the chair? A rainbow trail is winding there. A jelly bean parade
go up, up high, like cotton clouds in the morning sky. The wheels on the train go clackety-clack, rolling fast on the silver track. Over bridges and under trees, whistling loud in the gentle breeze. The bell on the front goes ding, 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 as the engine rocks and the children sing. With a toot and a turn, it makes its way through rainbow fields and flowers of May. The train on the track goes zoom, 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 racing the wind with plenty of room. And it slows with a happy sigh, waving goodbye as it passes by. Sing along with kids.
Little kittens sneaking in the box, tiptoeing softly in their tiny socks. They peeked inside with wide round eyes and full of paper. What a surprise! One jumped in and gave a happy purr. The other wiggled in beside her fur. They curled up tight without a peep. Two little kittens fast asleep. Catchy. Puppy. Two little kittens sneaking in the box, tiptoeing softly in their tiny socks. They peeked inside with wide round eyes and full of paper. What a surprise! One jumped in and gave a happy purr. The other wiggled in beside her fur. They curled up tight without a peep. Two little kittens fast asleep. Catchy.
Sing along with kids.
White sheep, fluffy and fat, wearing a coat like a woolly hat. Nibble grass in the morning dew, with a ba-ba song just for you. Walk to the meadow, skip to the hill, chasing the breeze so calm and still. Tail like a pom-pom, nose so pink, blinking eyes that softly blink. Clouds above and sheep below, fluffy friends in a gentle row. One lies down, the other's not, curled up close in a cozy lap. White sheep, gentle and sweet, with tiny hooves and dancing feet. When the stars begin to leap, the sheep all sigh and fall asleep.
Sing along with kids.
Three little kittens sliding down the slide. Whee! They giggle, enjoying the ride. One spun round and landed with a grin. Then there were two ready to begin. Two little kittens zooming way down. One wore a leaf like a silly crown. One little kitten gave a happy cheer, then climbed back up with a laugh.